Hello everyone, my name is Paige and I will be discussing the analytic dimension of applied behavioral analysis. To start off, I will be discussing the 7 dimensions, which are generality, effective, technological, analytic, conceptually systematic, applied, and behavioral. These can be easily memorized by the acronym GET-A-CAB. So what is the analytic dimension? This is a study applied behavioral analysis is analytic when the experimenter has demonstrated a functional relation between the manipulated events and a reliable change in some measurable dimension of the targeted behavior. In other words, the experimenter must be able to control the occurrence and non-occurrence of the behavior. This is sourced by Cooper. Analytic continued. Therefore, applied behavioral analysis must demonstrate control to the greatest extent possible, given the restraints of the setting and behavior, and they must present the results for judgment by the consumers of the research. The ultimate issue is the believability. Has researcher achieved experimental control to demonstrate a reliable functional relation? How do we prove this? According to Bear, Wolf, and Risley, there are 2 designs that are commonly used to show reliable control of important behavioral changes. What are they? The reversal technique is where a behavior is measured and the measure is examined over time until its stability is clear. Then the experimental variable is applied. The behavior continues to be measured to see if the variable will produce a behavioral change. In using this reversal technique, the experimenter is attempting to show that an analysis of the behavior is at hand, that whenever he applies a certain variable, the behavior is produced, and whenever he removes this variable, the behavior is lost. The other one I will be discussing is the multiple baseline technique. An alternative to the reversal technique may also be called the multiple baseline technique. This alternative may be a particular value when behavior appears to be irreversible or when reversing the behavioral is undesirable. Different values to different groups of responses. A number of responses are identified and measured over time to provide baselines against which changes can be evaluated. So what is a non-example? This could be as simple as not keeping any data and just assuming that change is happening in the behavior. So the key thing to remember here is that analytic is data-based. You've got to have that data. An example of analytic could be mouthing has been tracked for a student, and the student has 110 daily mouthing occurrences. Once a Chewy device is added, mouthing decreases to 25 occurrences daily. Maybe the teacher BCBA decides not to give the student a Chewy for a day, and then they see that the mouthing has increased up to 97 occurrences. So it's very obvious that the Chewy device serves as the intervention phase, and to be specific, this would be the reversal example, because the behavior is controlled, is able to be controlled. So for the comment and reaction, can you provide an example of analytic for me? Maybe something from your supervision or work? And here are my references. Thank you all for watching my video. I appreciate it.